Hi everyone. All right, the idea of this video is to show you how to use a very quick Kahoot kind of builder on ChatGPT using a GPT that I've custom created, especially for Kahoot. It should take less than 2 minutes. Now my internet's going a little bit slow this afternoon, but fingers crossed it should fit into the kind of 2 minute window. Let's give it a go. Right, the first thing you're going to do is going to press get started. As soon as you do that, it's going to come up and asking you obviously a few key questions, such as what subject do you teach? How many questions do you want to create? Is it linked to a specific syllabus? What should the questions focus on? And do you want to upload any resources? I've already filled this in, so you can see comp sci, 15 questions. That is the syllabus I'm going to be using. Topic is again cloud storage, and yes, I'm going to include some resources. That is the resource I'm going to include. So my PowerPoint, I'm just going to drag and drop, and then it's being kind of generated or created or configured so that it will use the materials in here as part of the questions and the answers that are generated. So let's press go, and then hopefully it will do its thing. Now, one of the problems I had previously is it was not distributing the answers correctly. So I've just kind of tweaked it around a little bit. So hopefully it has distributed the answers equally and shuffled them around. It tells me that it has. Right, my questions are as follows. So what does the cloud primarily refer to? And you can see there I've got all my questions. The answers have been kind of spread out as requested initially. And the formatting has just gone off a little bit down here, but that doesn't matter. I've got my 15 questions that I said I want to do. Okay, what do I want to do now? Do you want to compile these into a table? Yes, I do. So we're going to compile them into a table. 20-second is the kind of limit on each question by default. Everything is being set up so it's within the kind of character limit that's set up on Kahoot. So I will go down and you can see there, obviously you want to just visually check that the questions are appropriate. When it's done that, it's going to ask you if you want a downloadable version. I'm going to say don't do that. I'm just going to copy the table. The reason I say that is it kind of has some formatting errors that are generated, unfortunately, when it does that. So you'll probably have some problems. Anyway, all I'm going to do is copy the table, paste it straight into Excel. I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to save it to my personal drive. Let's just put it in here. And Resources, IGCSE. It's going into Unit 3. So let's call it Cloud Kahoot. Save. Okay, it's ready to go. So now if I close that off and I load up Kahoot, which hopefully is over here, ready to go, all I'm going to do is press Create, Kahoot, and I'm going to select blank canvas, add a question, import spreadsheet, and all I need to do now is navigate to the file that I've just saved. So again, let's go back to my relevant drive, BBIS, resources, IGCSE was in Unit 3, and it should be there. Cloud Kahoot, press open, upload, add questions. My Kahoot is done. Obviously then I can format, delete the first question, you don't need it. Then I can format obviously the title, any relevant settings that I need, but that's it. Done and finished. Enjoy.